Today I will be giving you a little insight on human overpopulation and demographics. Today we are faced with thousands and thousands of problems as human beings living on this earth today. However, there is one problem that is often overlooked, and that problem is overpopulation. The scariest thing about overpopulation is that the 7 billion people overlooking the problem could be the very cause of the problem. A little more than over 200 years ago, the human population was one half of what it is on Earth today. With the population growing 74 million people in a year, and that number is expected to keep growing between 11 billion by the year 2050. In fact, from 2005 to 2050, 9 countries are expected to account for half of the world's population. These 9 countries include India, Pakistan, Nigeria, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, China, and the United States of America. Today, there are 5.3 billion people living in developing countries. You know, these third world so-called countries. And that number is expected to keep increasing. Most researchers and scientists believe the baby boom in the developing countries is due to lack of birth control.
First one here at the top is the one that is the most controversial. Maintain humanity under 500 million in perpetual balance with nature. This is a real sticking point for a lot of the folks that research this monument. It reminds us of people like Thomas Malthus, who used to say that the population was just going to grow and grow, and that we were
Overpopulation is not defined by the size or density of a population, but also by the available and sustainable resources used and distributed throughout the population. So, what are the concerns with overpopulation? Overpopulation is causing some real world concerns. Here's a short list of concerns with overpopulation. 1. Lack of renewable and non-renewable resources. 2. Diminishing of sustainable food and freshwater supplies. 3. Growing disease. 4. Overcrowding. And 5. Environmental pollution. This means the more people we add to our ecosystem, the more strained, hurt, sensitive, and volatile it becomes. In a research done in 1960, there was only 3 billion people on the earth. It is now 2014 and it is 7 billion people and growing. So you do the math. For most of human existence, our population has been kept in check by nature, just as for the plants and the other animals also. If there's plenty of water, plenty of food to eat, and plenty of shelter, then a population will thrive. The history of humanity is one known for overcoming these environmental limits. Or maybe Albert Einstein was correct. The problem that exists in the world today cannot be solved on the same level of thinking that created them. Thank you.